Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to stop Chrome notifications. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your Google Chrome browser on your computer. Once Chrome is open, direct your attention to the upper right corner of the window where you'll see three vertical dots. This is your menu icon that gives you access to all of Chrome's main settings and features. Go ahead and click on these three dots to reveal a drop-down menu with various options. From the menu that appears, look for the option labeled Settings and click on it. This will take you to Chrome's main settings page where you can customize how your browser behaves and manages different features. The settings page is your control center for everything related to Chrome's functionality and privacy. Once you're on the settings page, take a look at the left sidebar. You'll see several categories listed there, and you need to click on Privacy and Security. This section is specifically designed to help you manage how Chrome handles your data, permissions, and site interactions. It's an important area that gives you control over what websites can and cannot do while you're browsing. Within the Privacy and Security section, scroll down until you find an option called Site Settings and click on it. This area controls the permissions that individual websites have, such as access to your camera, microphone, location, and of course notifications. It's where you can fine-tune exactly what websites are allowed to do on your device. Now in the Site Settings menu, look for the Notifications option and click on it. This will open a dedicated page that shows you all the notification-related settings and which websites currently have permission to send you notifications. Here you'll see all the sites that have requested notification access and how Chrome is currently handling those requests. Finally, you'll see a radio button option that says "Don't allow sites to send notifications." Click on this radio button to activate it. By selecting this option, you're telling Chrome to block all notification requests from any website, preventing those pop-ups and alerts from interrupting your browsing experience. This is a universal setting that applies to all websites, ensuring you won't be bothered by notification requests anymore. And that's it. You've successfully disabled Chrome notifications, giving you a cleaner and more focused browsing experience without constant interruptions. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.